This is my John Deere 70. I believe it's a 1973 model. Just got through doing quite a bit of work on it. New tires, tubes. I also took apart the engine. Not completely, but all the critical points, taking out the starter and cleaning that up. And as you can see, it's a design flaw with the oil filter right above that. When you pull it out, it leaks all over it. I also replaced all the hoses. You can see the two on the right and two on the left for the lift portion of the skid steer. Also pulled out the gas tank and relined it with a sealant because I did have a small leak in it. What else did I do? I also touched up everything around here. Oh, on the left side, I also fixed the lift cylinder. It had a major leak in it. I redid it right a couple of years ago, so that's all set. And I redid the two lift cylinders or tilt cylinders a couple of years ago. Going to replace these hoses momentarily as soon as I get this thing fired up. I got the new hoses. I'm going to put them on today. But I also wanted to show the flywheel. Now, this I'm going to be putting in right now. And just wanted to get some measurements from it because, as you can see, the fins are chewed up there. And that's the way I got it. And I was looking at the inner portion, which I believe is called the magneto or the stator. You can see right there it is chewed up a little bit, so it's not running perfectly circular. So anyways, this flywheel looks like it's about 12 inches diameter. And the inner portion, I don't have my calipers, but we're looking at, I believe, 5 inches. And it's tapered inward, and this is the outer portion of it. Just wanted to give everyone a look at that because I was hoping to find another one and cannot seem to locate one on eBay. And this skid steer is 45 years old, so finding replacement parts for it is very challenging. But I'm hoping this lasts quite a while because the engine, which is an Onan 24 horsepower or 23.5 horsepower, does run quite well. And the hydraulics work very, very well. I'll give you a peek at those real quick. But all in all, I'm pretty happy with this thing. Use it primarily in the wintertime around here, living in northern Illinois, for snow removal. So that is my skid steer.